Welcome to Astrella. Today I'm going to show you how to create your account. Go to app.astrella.com. Then click on Start Your Free Trial. Here you can create your account. This will be the account that you use to log in to Astrella with. Once everything is filled out, click on Terms and Condition. Review the terms and condition. Click Agree. Select your business type. There's C Corp, LLC, Private Limited, and Public Limited. Then enter in your company's name. Select the country and the state. Enter in the date of incorporation. This can be found in your Articles of Incorporation document. Next, click on Subscription Agreement. Feel free to review this. Once you click on Agree, you go to the Plan section. Here you can select the plan. If you want to test it out, click on Free Trial. If you want the Plus plan, you also get Exit Modeling. If you want the Pro plan, you'll get financial reporting and a lot of other stuff. Feel free to contact our sales team if you want something customized. For now, I'm gonna start with Free Trial, just to show you what it looks like. Once you log in, create a common class. This can also be found in your Articles of Incorporation. And usually the first class in Articles of Incorporation is common. I'll also show you how many shares it started with and the stock price. This prefix can go up to 4 letters, so you can either type in COM for common or just leave it as C. Once that is saved, you'll see the Astrella's dashboard. If you would like more help getting set up or just to learn more about Astrella, feel free to reach out to us at support@astrella.com. Thank you.